On the way to a job the other day, we was towing the trailer, going to do some pressure washing for my company, K&L Mowing. I don't know if you guys have seen the other channel, but we lost a wheel bearing, and it ground all in there. Well, now we had to limp it home. Fortunately, we weren't far from the house, but went ahead and changed the shocks and got some new Rancho RS 5000X to go on here. It had the original Ranchos, you know, this is the FX4. So we're upgrading the shocks, new shocks, because those wore out. And we got all new drilled and slotted rotors, new wheel bearings. I'm going to change the axle joints as well. They're old. The other side came apart. I'll take you guys over there and show you that. Yeah, it is no longer got full wheel drive. It's completely, the cap's gone on one side and completely out the bottom. So we're gonna put all new stuff in there as well while we're doing it. Had some lime green boots laying around from my old F250. I decided to put them on, add a little extra color instead of that red. But I'll piece together some video as we continue along with it. As you guys can see, all the metal shavings and the whole back of the bearing came out. I think the only thing that was holding the tire on at this point was the hub and the brake rotor. Well, I kind of got a little bit, I had to wait on parts, but we got the new wheel bearings in. I got it on. We're going with drilled and slotted rotors from Detroit Axle, ceramic pads. Got some new Rancho RS 5000 shocks. Just freshen her up a little bit and try to help her out with stopping. We tow some big goosenecks. Like I said, if you watch my other channel, I've got my own business, K&L Mowing and Services. You see this truck and all the mowers and stuff, and we're going to be doing tree services and stuff, towing the backhoes and goosenecks, so we're getting some heavier brakes on here. This is the first corner. We got 3 more corners to go. I'm going to get this one done, mow some yards, and we'll probably finish it up this weekend. Well, after fighting the C-clip and getting the hub back in there, we got this one done. I'd worked on this one corner. This is where the wheel bearing failed. We got the new shock in there. I went with the lime green shock boot I had laying around. I think the lime green on the blue looks good. We got that one done, and I think this coming up weekend I'll finish putting all the shocks and brakes all the way around the truck. I still got to do the axle joint over there on the passenger side that's messed up, but we're gonna be back in business. Get out there mowing. I'm 2 customers behind due to the mishap, and we managed to get a bunch of washing and some tree work done out of the little Kia Soul. So the Camaro is being sold. We're going to buy a F350 dually to tow the gooseneck trailer and the backhoe, but for now, it's where we're at. We're back in business.